In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Translate in Excel. We will do that by using Google Sheets as a bridge, so you still get the Google Translate power while working with your Excel data. First, upload or copy your Excel data into Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets in your browser, then either create a new blank spreadsheet or open one where you want the translations. If you have an Excel file saved, use the option to open an existing file and pick your Excel workbook so Sheets imports it. If your data is already open in Excel, you can also copy the cells, then switch to Google Sheets and paste them into the first column or wherever you want. Once your text appears in the grid of cells in Sheets, you are ready to use the Google Translate formula on that content. Next, in a blank cell, enter the formula. Click a cell where you want the translated text to appear, usually in a new column beside your original data so you can compare the results. Then type an equal sign, followed by the word Google Translate, and then an opening bracket. Google Sheets will show a small tooltip under the cell with the expected pieces for this function, which helps you confirm that it recognized the formula correctly. Now, you need to point the formula to the cell to translate, which in this example is a 2. Click cell A2 instead of typing it, to avoid typos. You should now see A2 inside the brackets of the formula. At this moment, the formula knows where the original text lives, but not yet which languages to use. From there, you set the source language written as IN for English. Type a comma after A2. Then type EMEN inside 2 straight quotes. This tells Google Sheets that the text in cell A2 is currently in English. If your original text is in a different language, you can replace IN with another code like FR for French, but we will stick with IN in this example so your screen matches the formula you see. Next up, you add the target language, written as ES for Spanish. Type another comma, then type ES inside 2 straight quotes and close the bracket. Your full formula now reads equals Google Translate, opening bracket, a 2, comma, in quotes, comma, ES in quotes, closing bracket. A quick beginner tip here, if you accidentally leave out one quote, Sheets will highlight the formula in red to show an error. After setting the formula, press Enter. The cell will update and display the Spanish translation of whatever was in a 2. There is no extra save step. The translation appears as soon as the formula runs. If you click back on the translated cell, you will see the formula in the formula bar and the translated text in the cell itself. With the first translation working, drag the fill handle down to translate additional rows. Move your mouse to the small square in the bottom right corner of the translated cell until the cursor changes to a thin plus sign. Then click and drag straight down over the rows that contain original text. When you release the mouse, every cell you dragged over fills with a translation that matches its row. If a row is blank in the original column, its translation cell will also stay empty. When finished, copy the translated column back into Excel if needed. Select the entire translated column in Google Sheets, copy it, then switch to Excel and paste it where you want the translations to live. If you plan to delete the Google Sheets file later, you can paste as values in Excel so the translated text is stored permanently with no link back to Sheets. You have now translated your Excel data using the Google Translate formula in Google Sheets and brought the results back into Excel. If this walkthrough helped you get accurate translations into Excel, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more Excel tips.